In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail IMAP. Let's get started by enabling IMAP in your Gmail account, which is a crucial step to access your emails through different email clients. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. This is important because any changes you make will apply to the account you are currently using. Once you have Gmail open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You will see an icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings menu. Click on this gear icon. This small step will open up a menu that allows you to customize your Gmail experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to click on See All Settings. This opens a new page where you can access all of Gmail's configuration options. Now, this is important because it's where you can manage everything from labels to forwarding options. Now that you're on the settings page, look for the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Click on it to proceed. This section deals with how your email is accessed and stored, making it vital for setting up IMAP correctly. In the Forwarding and POP/IMAP section, scroll down a bit until you see the IMAP Access option. Under this, you will see radio buttons next to Enable IMAP. Select this option to activate IMAP for your Gmail account. Enabling IMAP is crucial because it allows your emails to be synced across different devices. This feature is essential for anyone who checks their email on both their computer and mobile devices. Once you've selected Enable IMAP, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This ensures that your new settings are applied. Missing this step could mean that IMAP will not be enabled and your changes will not take effect. With IMAP now enabled, you can use an email client of your choice to access your Gmail messages. This can be a significant time saver as it allows for seamless access to your emails without needing to open your web browser each time. By setting up IMAP, you're ensuring that your emails are always in sync regardless of the device you use. This is very useful for professionals and anyone who needs to stay connected on the go. Just a quick reminder, if you ever need to change back to the original settings, you can follow these steps again. Changing settings is easy once you know where to look. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Gmail IMAP. This setup will give you greater flexibility and efficiency in managing your emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of accessing your Gmail with IMAP.